Hi everyone, this is Ayman Ibrahim. This is week 13 update with Nicole. So how's it going, Nicole, so far?
Good, good. I've had a good week.
So did you lose any weight last week?
I did. I lost 7 pounds.
In 1 week?
Yes.
How much do you weigh right now at today?
I'm 192.
This is a new record, right? This is a milestone.
Yeah.
So that's really an excellent news. So it looks like you are getting back on track.
Yes.
Was it very challenging last week? Or?
Actually, no, not the way that I've had previous times feel.
Yeah.
Last week felt pretty good. The last day was a little bit of a struggle, but other than that, it was pretty good.
Because like a few weeks ago we had some challenges and those things, but looks like you managed
Yes.
to get back on track.
Yes,
You're
I
very
was determined. I was
right?
like, I'm not letting this get the
Yes.
best of me.
Yes,
So,
no, that's really good. And this is a new milestone. Like
Yes.
this is a new weight. You didn't see for a while,
that's right.
right? So that's an excellent news. I wish you best of luck, and
Thank you.
hopefully we have another good news next week.
Yes, I hope so too.
Thank you so much,
Thanks.
Nicole.